Given the equation f of x equals 2 bracket negative 1/3 bracket x minus 1 squared minus 5. So the equation for a quadratic function is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. The A shows the vertical stretches and compressions. The X shows the horizontal stretches and compressions. And the H shows the horizontal shifts. And the K shows the vertical shifts. So this would be a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. A horizontal compression or horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/3 by 3, because everything inside the brackets is reversed. And a reflection since there's a negative before it. In the y-axis. Horizontal shift right 1. And lastly, a vertical shift down 5 units. Describe how the graph of f of x can be obtained from y equals x squared. So the question is asking what can be done to the x values and the y values to get this equation. So you would have to multiply the x values by -3 and add 1. For the y values, you'd have to multiply y values by 2 and subtract 5. To graph the function, you're going to have to use mapping notation. These are the x and y values for a quadratic equation, and these are the new x and y values after using mapping notation. I'll graph the equation now. So the first point is 7 and 3. The next point is 4 and -3. 1 and -5. -2 and -3. And -5 and 3.
I guess so, because we can't use internet if we're working in here.
So for the domain, and this is how the graph looks.